Hello, in front of me I've got Edifier Hecate G30. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. Firstly, take a look at the left ear cup. Right here we've got this G button. Press it and hold for 3 seconds to turn your headphones on and for 5 seconds to turn it off. Press once to play pause. Press once to answer or end the calls. Press and hold for 1.5 seconds to reject a call. Press twice to switch between music and game mode. And press 3 times to switch light effect off. Right here we've got the button thanks to which we can mute or unmute the microphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.